Christina quickly rivalry. Christina tell her side of the story.
Waited a long time for this. Feels right now. Hi. Allow me to introduce myself. Want you to come a little closer. I'd like you to get to know me a little bit better.